Okay, I listen.
What?
You got to start the story out.
Your opinion.
What are we doing?
You're 5 stars on TripAdvisor.
5 stars.
5
We
stars.
spent 1 week with Costas, best cook I've ever struck. Very good food. 5 stars on TripAdvisor.
Okay. And
Thanks, Costas. Wonderful week. Awesome food. Thank you.
Thank you, Costas, for looking after us like we were your family. Your food has been lovely. Truly, truly special.
Thank you for the amazing food. It was very delicious.
Been sensational. The best holiday ever. Thank you so much.
What about the breakfast?
The food has been very good.
and the captain?
Thanks, Costas.
Bravo, bravo. Bravo, Costa.
Μυστικός, Κάκο, δεν σε πρόσεξα.